This training is about whole body yoga, where we will focus on whole body muscle flexibility, but main focus will be on lower body and back. The lower body and back, that is hamstring and lower back. So we'll start with the cat pose. This will be a combination of cat and dog pose. This is dog stretch. Hold it and focus well on the breathing. Now move to cat pose. Move to dog pose again. From dog pose again move to cat stretch. Hold the pose and again move to dog stretch. Hold it with a good breathing. Make sure you're not jerking your spine. Again move to cat pose. Hold it and move to dog pose. Watch my toes, how am I moving it. You can do this with a count of 5 seconds and then slowly we can move to child pose. Hold your hands below your hips and try to hold the ankles or the heels. Now breathe well, focus that your tummy is tucked in and your body is not very rigid. Slowly you can move your hands in front of you. This is child pose. From child pose we will slowly move to cobra and hold cobra for few seconds. You can follow the rhythm of this video. Make sure you are breathing in, breathing out. From full cobra to move to belly cobra, where your body weight will be on your midsection, that is your belly. Now let's move to knee to chest pose, where we will focus on the inside of the knee, that is knee joint and the hamstring. Usually we get very tight hamstring with regular running or walking. Legs straight up and try to point your toe towards the ceiling. Make sure you are breathing well. Follow the video where I am again bending my knee but my leg is parallel to the ground. Let's do the same, repeat the same with next leg. Bring your knees towards your chest, don't overdo it, breathe well. Leg up straight, toe pointing to ceiling. And make sure that your body is not very rigid. Again bend and make sure that your leg is parallel to the ground now. Bend both legs, hold it from the inside of the knee joint. Breathe well. You can hold it from the upside now and try to press a little towards your tummy. Breathe. And then we'll move to side bends. This is a very effective workout for lower back stiffness or pain. Just watch my posture, how am I doing it. Do it 80% of your flexibility. Now move the right leg inwards and with the left leg push down the knee of the right leg. This will put more intensity on the lower back stretch. If you can't do it, it's okay, you can keep lying down in that position. Now change the side, hold the knee with your leg and move to the other side. Hold this position. Now slowly you will move your left leg a little inwards. With your right heel, press the left knee to bring in more intensity for your lower back stretch. From this pose, we will quickly move to bridge pose. This is immensely beneficial for the groin area and the digestive system. Bridging up and down, then up and down. Don't overdo the bridge. Breathe in well, down, and then last set, bridge up, hold, and then go down. So here we will wind up. This workout is very effective for your lower body. I would advise you to do it 5 to 6 times after your run or after your lower body training.